AC, air conditioning, AI, artificial intelligence, AM, anti-meridium, before noon, ASAP, as soon as possible, ATM, automated teller machine, API, application programming interface, AWS, Amazon Web Services, AR, augmented reality, AP, access point. B2B, business to business. B2C, business to consumer. BA, Bachelor of Arts. BC, before Christ. BCC, plant carbon copy. BPO, business process outsourcing. BYOD, bring your own device. BRB, be right back. BTS, behind the scenes. B2W, by the way. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. CFO, Chief Financial Officer. CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. COB, Close Up Business. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CV, Curriculum Vitae. CST, Central Standard Time. CCTV, Closed Circuit Television. CAD, Computer Aided Design. DOB, Date of Birth. DIY, Do It Yourself. DNS, Domain Name System. DND, Do Not Disturb. DVD, Digital Versatile Disk. DM, Direct Message. DPI, Dots per inch. DTP, Desktop Publishing. DR, Doctor. EOD, End of the Day. ETA, Estimated Time of Arrival. EU, European Union. EMI, Equated Monthly Installment. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. EHR, Electronic Health Record. EV, Electric Vehicle. EVM, Electronic Voting Machine. FOMO, Fear of Missing Out. FYI, for your information. FTE, Full-Time Equivalent. FTF, File Transfer Protocol. FMCG, Fast-Moving Consumer Goods. F&B, Food and Beverage. FIFO, First in, First Out. FDI, Foreign Direct Investment. FY, Fiscal Year. FV, Facebook. GPS, Global Positioning System. GST, Goods and Services Tax. GUI, Graphical User Interface. GB, Gigabyte. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. GNP, Gross National Product. GPRS, General Packet Radio Service. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. HR, Human Resources. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HDD, Hard Disk Drive. HQ, Headquarters. HOD, Head of Department. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface. HMO, Health Maintenance Organization. HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. IT, Information Technology. IPO, Initial Public Offering. ISP, Internet Service Provider, IME, International Mobile Equipment Identity, ICU, Intensive Care Unit, IP, Internet Protocol, IoT, Internet of Things, IV, Intravenous, IRL, in real life, JPG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JIT, Just in Time, JD, Job Description, JV, Joint Venture, JDK, Java Development Kit, JCB, Japan Credit Bureau, KB, Kilobyte, KPI, Key Performance Indicator, KYC, Know Your Customer, kWh, kilowatt hour, kbps, kilowatts per second, kmph, kilometers per hour, KYC, Know Your Client, K-pop, Korean pop, K9, K9, LAN, Local Area Network, LCD, Liquid Crystal Display, LED, Light Emitting Diode, LLC, Limited Liability Company, LTE, Long Term Evolution, LIFO, Last in, First out, LOL, Laugh Out Loud, LPG, Liquefied Petroleum Gas, LBS, Pounds Weight, MBA, Master of Business Administration, MD, Managing Director, MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, MVP, Minimum Viable Product, Mbps, Megabytes per second, MIS, Management Information System, MRI, Magnetic Resonance Imaging, MS, Microsoft, MBA, Master of Business Administration, NFC, Near Field Communication, NGO, Non-Governmental Organization, NSFW, Not Safe for Work, NOC, No Objection Certificate, NDA, Non-Disclosure Agreement, NIC, Network Interface Card, NA, Not Applicable, NTFS, New Technology File System, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, OTP, One Time Password, OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer, OOP, Object Oriented Programming, OS, Operating System, OTT, Over the Top, OCR, Optical Character Recognition, OMR, Optical Mark Recognition, OMG, Oh My God, OKR, Objectives and Key Results.